The ab rollout is simple and effective, but it is also really easy to mess it up. Find yourself an ab roller and about 2 or 3 meters of space. From there, we're on our knees and holding the handles. What you're going to do from here is engage the core really strongly so that it's almost like a plank. The wheel should be starting slightly in front of your shoulders and the hips should be starting slightly in front of your knees. What this does is it engages your core muscles and it gets your trunk and hips into that coordinated position that we want them to be in for the movement itself. The biggest key here without a doubt is to keep the torso rigid all the way through the movement. The core cannot break. We need a straight line from hips all the way through to shoulders and resisting the urge to simply flop onto the ground at the end of the movement. That tension has to be maintained. The core really has to win that battle against gravity here. That means no bowing at the hips, no dropping when you get to the ground, no swinging back violently. Notice how these hips on the way back in are stopping just before they start scooching over the feet. We want to avoid the hips going too far back, as I mentioned earlier, because that takes all of that pressure off the core and that's just going to lead to sloppy momentum-based reps. 6 to 12 reps is usually what I recommend for the ab rollout. Any less and you're probably not getting much stimulus there. Any more and it's probably too easy for you and you need to increase the difficulty. One way that we can increase the difficulty and just add a little bit of a change to your core work is same premise, same holding that core rigid, but we're going to turn the wheel slightly at the very end of the movement. So it's the same for 90% of the movement. Last little 10%, quick turn to the side, add a little bit of a twist to your ab rollout. This adds a really simple benefit of getting your obliques just a little bit more involved in the movement than they otherwise would have been. Always remember the key premise of the ab rollout is to engage that core and not let that trunk break. We hold it steady all the way through the movement.